Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best BP Kit is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your health, providing you with the power to monitor your blood pressure from the comfort of your home and detect potential health issues early. This detailed review will help you choose the perfect home blood pressure monitor based on accuracy, ease of use, features, and overall value, ensuring you get the most reliable readings for informed health decisions. Number 5. MMIZOO W1681 BP Monitor. This wrist blood pressure monitor makes checking your blood pressure quick and easy. Its large display and clear voice prompts ensure you get accurate readings in seconds. See your results at a glance with the large, easy-to-read LCD screen. No more squinting to understand your readings. It stores up to 99 readings for 2 different users, helping you and a loved one track your health data effectively. This monitor is professionally tested for accuracy. It's built with high-quality materials for long-lasting use. It will alert you if your blood pressure is outside of the normal range with clear warning symbols. This helps you stay informed about your health. It comes with a convenient carrying case and instruction manual, making it perfect for home use. Everything you need is included. For the most accurate comparison of your blood pressure, remember to take your measurements at the same time each day. What we like. It has a large, easy-to-read display and supports 2 users. This makes it perfect for families who want to track their blood pressure. If you need a simple, user-friendly monitor for multiple people, this is a great option. What people say. Large LCD display. The display is bright and clear, making it easy to read for all users, including seniors. It shows blood pressure, pulse rate, and other essential data in a well-organized format. Accuracy. I tested it against readings from my doctor's equipment, and the results were consistently accurate. The readings it takes are consistent, and are always in the same range as blood pressure readings which are taken at my doctor's office. This one fits snugly on your wrist and is held in place with Velcro. Once in place, there's a button on the bottom which you press to get it started. And that's pretty much it. There's an audible voice which tells you to be quiet and hold the cuff at heart level, and then it tightens up and slowly releases to get your blood pressure and heart rate, and it tells you what it is. Number 4. iHealth Track Smart Blood Pressure Monitor. It provides clinically accurate blood pressure readings with ease. Its simple 2-button operation makes it incredibly user-friendly. See your results clearly with its large, backlit display. Color-coded indicators instantly show if your blood pressure is within the optimal range. It stores up to 99 readings directly on the device and unlimited readings on your smartphone via our free app. Track your progress effortlessly. It automatically detects and alerts you to any irregular heart rhythms. Your health is our priority. It comes with everything you need: the monitor, cuff, batteries, and instructions. Plus, enjoy our 12-month warranty and friendly customer support. It features a wide-range cuff that comfortably fits most adult arm sizes, ensuring accurate readings every time. It's designed for simple operation. Just follow the easy-to-understand instructions for accurate and reliable results. What we like. This device offers clinically accurate readings and connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth. It's ideal for those who want to track their blood pressure digitally and share data with their doctor. If you value precise measurements and digital tracking, this is the one for you. What people say. We have a wristband blood pressure tester, and when I first received this one I used them both for comparison and they were both very accurate. What makes this one excellent is that it sends the readings via Bluetooth to my phone app, and now I have historical records on my phone of all my blood pressure readings which are easily exported as a spreadsheet or other formats, so I can share them with my DR or for my own records. It's incredibly easy to use and provides quick, accurate readings. The cuff is comfortable and easy to apply, and the device is compact and easy to store. The iHealth app allows me to easily track my blood pressure readings over time and share them with my doctor. The cuff seems to work well. Have used it for a couple of weeks with no problems. It has very strong Velcro, which I was concerned about, but no worries. Fits my heavier arm well. App is easy to use and very useful for tracking your readings. Number 3. Greater Goods BP Monitor. It's designed for your convenience and accuracy. This complete kit includes everything you need for easy home blood pressure monitoring. It has an irregular heartbeat sensor and a healthy range indicator to provide you with comprehensive results. Multiple user memory makes it perfect for families. The soft cuff is designed to fit comfortably and uses smart inflate technology to prevent pinching. It's simple to secure and use. Just secure the cuff, press the large start button, and instantly see your systolic and diastolic blood pressure readings and pulse on the bright, backlit screen. This monitor comes with a wall adapter, batteries, and a travel case. It's the complete solution for accurate and convenient blood pressure monitoring at home. It sets a new standard for home blood pressure monitors with its user-friendly design and advanced features. Experience reliable and accurate readings every time. What we like. It features a comfortable cuff and is incredibly easy to operate. It also comes with everything you need, including a wall adapter and carrying case. If you prioritize comfort and convenience, this is the best choice. What people say. The cuff works really well for me, easy to adjust but fits like a glove. The measurements are accurate, educated opinion based on the fact that I am a healthcare professional and faculty. The cuff is made of good quality materials. Backlit monitor, awesome. Easy to see even if darker in room or area and very clear screen. Accuracy is mostly good. It does throw me some low numbers every once in a while but in general seems to vary less than other monitors of its class. Easy to view history. Fairly simple to set up. Number 2. Home blood pressure monitor. It uses advanced AI algorithms for superior accuracy in measuring blood pressure and heart rate. It will even alert you to any irregular heartbeats. The large, backlit display makes it easy to read your results, day or night. The enlarged font ensures clear readability. It stores up to 240 readings for 2 users. The adjustable cuff fits arms from 8.7 to 15.7 inches, and it has auto arm detection to ensure accurate results. It's fully automatic and starts with just one press of a button. Plus, it comes with a convenient carrying case for easy portability. We are committed to your health. Each monitor undergoes rigorous quality checks, and our customer service team is always ready to assist you. What we like. This monitor boasts high accuracy and a large, backlit display for easy reading, plus it stores up to 240 readings. It's perfect for those who need detailed records of their blood pressure. If you need a reliable monitor with extensive memory, this is a great pick. What people say. The monitor provides accurate readings, which is crucial for anyone needing to keep track of their blood pressure regularly. I've compared its readings with my doctor's office, and they are consistently reliable. The upper arm cuff fits comfortably with a range that accommodates arm sizes from 8.7 inch to 15.7, making it suitable for most users. The large backlight display is incredibly user-friendly, allowing easy reading of the results, even in low-light conditions. It is easier to read. Like the fact that it can be used with USB power or batteries. The cuff works well and is easy to use. Is compact and comes with a pouch to store it in. Number 1. PrimaCare DS9197 BK Blood Pressure Kit. It provides accurate and precise blood pressure readings every time. Get reliable results with each clinical test, ensuring your health is in good hands. This kit measures both your blood pressure and heart rate simultaneously. It's a convenient and efficient way to monitor your health. It includes a washable nylon cuff and a long-lasting latex inflation system. This ensures it's built to last and easy to maintain. Designed for ease of use, it's perfect for one-handed application. This makes taking your blood pressure quick and simple. It comes in a convenient black leatherette carrying case. Take it with you wherever you go, home, office, or while traveling. This professional-grade kit is perfect for both clinical and home use. It combines quality materials with a compact and lightweight design. What we like. It's a classic manual blood pressure kit that delivers precise readings and is highly portable. It's ideal for those who prefer a traditional approach or need a monitor for travel. If you prefer a manual device for its simplicity and portability, this is for you. What people say. The blood pressure cuff I purchased has quickly become an invaluable tool in my health journey. This reliable companion ensures accurate readings and provides peace of mind, making it the perfect blood pressure cuff. Accuracy is crucial when it comes to monitoring blood pressure, and this cuff delivers exceptional results. The readings are consistently precise and reliable, allowing me to track my blood pressure with confidence. The digital display is easy to read, and the intuitive interface makes navigating the device a seamless experience. The PrimaCare DS9197 BK has become an essential part of my health routine. It's accurate, easy to use, portable, and built to last. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.